Did you know that clutter could be costing you thousands of dollars every year? Minimalism isn't just about decluttering your home. It's a proven way to simplify your life and save big. Let's explore how you can start living with less and saving more today. What is minimalism and why it saves you money, why it matters? Minimalism is about intentionally focusing on what truly adds value to your life and cutting out the excess. By spending less and making thoughtful choices, you avoid waste and save money effortlessly. Key takeaway: living with less reduces expenses, limits impulse purchases, and eliminates unnecessary subscriptions or services. Example: instead of buying fast fashion every season, invest in high-quality, timeless clothing pieces that last 4 years. Embrace a capsule wardrobe. Why it works? A smaller, curated wardrobe of versatile pieces saves money, space, and time spent deciding what to wear. How to do it? Donate or sell clothes you no longer wear. Invest in high-quality essentials like neutral tops, jeans, and jackets. Avoid fast fashion trends that go out of style quickly. Example: owning 30 carefully chosen clothing items instead of 100 can eliminate the need for frequent shopping sprees. Declutter and sell what you don't need. Why it works? Decluttering can reveal hidden value in items you no longer use. Selling them not only creates extra cash, but also helps you appreciate living with less. How to do it? Use platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark to sell items. Organize a garage sale for furniture, electronics, or other household items. Avoid rebuying items you've already decluttered. Example: selling unused gadgets, appliances, or old clothes could bring in several $100s in extra income. Focus on experiences over things. Why it works? Studies show that spending on experiences brings more happiness than buying material goods. Minimalism shifts your focus to meaningful moments rather than possessions. How to do it? Replace shopping trips with activities like hiking, picnics, or exploring your city. Gift experiences, concert tickets, classes instead of physical items to loved ones. Example: a family weekend camping trip costs less than buying expensive gadgets and creates lasting memories. Teach the minimalist mindset to your family. Why it's important? When everyone in your household adopts minimalism, the financial benefits multiply. How to do it? Involve kids in decluttering and donating items they no longer need. Set family goals for saving money. Celebrate milestones to keep everyone motivated. Example: a family working together to reduce spending could collectively save thousands a year. Use what you already have. Why it's effective? Minimalism teaches you to value and make use of what you already own. Avoiding duplicate purchases. How to do it? Conduct a no-buy challenge for a month, using only what's on hand. Repurpose items creatively. For example, jars of storage, old furniture with a fresh coat of paint. Commit to finishing consumables like toiletries before buying replacements. Example: using up beauty products and kitchen staples already in your home can save hundreds annually. Save on housing costs. Why it matters? Housing is one of the largest expenses for most people. Minimalism encourages living within your means and maximizing your space efficiently. How to do it? Downsize to a smaller home or apartment that fits your lifestyle. Rent out unused rooms for extra income. Furnish your home intentionally, avoiding clutter and overbuying. Example: downsizing from a 3-bedroom house to a 2-bedroom apartment could save thousands annually in rent or mortgage payments. Simplify meal planning. Why it saves money? Minimalism in the kitchen avoids food waste and limits overspending on dining out or takeout. How to do it? Plan weekly meals and stick to a grocery list. Batch cook and freeze meals to save time and money. Avoid stocking up on duplicate pantry items by organizing your kitchen. Example: meal prepping for a week could save $100 plus compared to eating out daily. Cut unnecessary spending. How minimalism helps? By adopting a minimalist mindset, you prioritize spending on what truly matters and eliminate wasteful purchases. Practical steps: track your spending for a month and identify unnecessary expenses. Set clear priorities for where your money should go, for example, experiences, savings, investments. Avoid sales traps, like buy one get one free, if you don't actually need the items. Example, cancelling unused gym memberships or streaming subscriptions could save you hundreds annually. Reduce stress-driven spending. Why it matters. Many people shop to relieve stress or boredom, leading to unnecessary purchases. Minimalism encourages healthier habits for coping. How to do it. Identify triggers that lead to impulse buying. Replace shopping with activities like journaling, yoga, or calling a friend. Unsubscribe from promotional emails and unfollow shopping-related social media accounts. Example, cutting out impulsive purchases can save hundreds, if not thousands, each year. Minimalism isn't just about living with less. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and help you save big. By adopting these habits, you'll not only simplify your life, but also find financial freedom. Start your minimalist journey today and watch the savings add up.